The KETIPED 3D measuring ruler is crafted from aluminum alloy, making it both lightweight and durable, perfect for long-term use without the worry of corrosion or rust. Its versatile design allows it to function as a multi-purpose tool, offering precise measurements and easy marking capabilities for both 45 and 90-degree angles. This ruler's anodized surface enhances its wear resistance, ensuring that the scale remains accurate over time, which is essential for precision tasks in carpentry and engineering. Designed for a variety of applications, it is an indispensable tool for DIY enthusiasts, engineers, and carpenters, particularly when working with round materials, three-dimensional workpieces, or square wood. The inclusion of a hexagon screw and Allen wrench in the package makes it easy to assemble and disassemble, adding to its convenience and portability. KETIPED ensures a satisfying user experience by providing excellent customer support, which is a testament to their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction.